this is where it comes out. So now I'm gonna put that up to the top. Hopefully the air bubbles will be at the top. And I shut this off to the fridge. And now I'm going to turn this on.